Welcome back. In this video we will implement the delete functionality. Okay, let's jump to the code. Before that, let me add all the changes to git add, okay, and git commit -m some till view the data. So I'm keeping track of all these changes. Now open the uh, user list file. Here we have the delete. Okay. On delete of that, what we have to call is API. So first write in a user slice export const delete user action, again create async. Okay, and first one is a name for it, user, same name, and the arrow function which is of async type. Let me format the document. Fine. So here we have to call delete API and return ID. Let's go to the user service, export const delete user API async. So for delete we need only ID which is of number, okay, and return await http service dot delete. In delete we need to pass like API config user, and okay, we need to create first URL, const URL. So I am using string literal here, and the ID. Okay, I can use this URL now. So the delete method will get called with this URL, and the user will get deleted. User record will get deleted. Okay, so call it here delete user API and import it and pass the ID to it. I can take ID in this function, ID number, and this function will return the response, const response. From here I can return only the ID, this ID, which will notify at this place, here at this place in a extra reducer, that this is the ID which are deleted. Okay, fine. Let's write in a extra reducer builder dot add case. I am writing only one case now. If it is fulfilled, so we will get in second parameter, which is a arrow function, state and action. Okay, in action dot payload I will get the ID, whatever I am sending it here, that ID we will get. I can remove this. Okay, fine. So what we have to do is in state dot list we have all the list, so we can filter all the records ID which are not equals to this ID, action dot payload. So filter will give all the other records which don't have this ID, which is deleted. Okay, so take that new list. I hope you understand this line, and I am setting that in state dot list dot new list. So what I am doing here, I am filtering and taking all the other records which don't have that ID, deleted ID, and setting that new list in the list. Okay, fine. Now I need to call this action from user list on clicking the delete button. So let's call it on click. I need to call dispatch, and in dispatch delete user action, input that. Okay, just wait. Okay, on delete. Okay, on click, sorry, on click arrow function. Here we have to dispatch delete user action. Okay, this one, delete user action. Let's import this one from user slice, and here I need to pass the ID, this user ID, user.id. So very simple. Let's save all the files and check the code. So let me delete dummy one. Okay, dummy one is deleted. We can check that at a localhost 8000 user. Now let me delete Bob. Bob is deleted. Let me show you in a network. Again, let me delete dummy. Yeah, so the delete call is called. Dummy user is also deleted. Let me refresh this db.json file. Yeah, so here also it is updating. So delete is also working. In next video we will implement the edit part.